So since my childhood, I've been a vegetarian, but it's recently, since a year and a half, that I've also turned vegan. So I eat very healthy, like roti, sabji, dal, ghar ka khana. But I think if you ask me for my favorite food, it's bread pakora. I know it's not healthy, but it's something which is my stress buster food.
Yeah, I mean, that's a tricky one. To be fair, कभी कभार तो लगता है कि यार होता तो अच्छा, लेकिन see, IPL is something that has helped everyone. Abhi, for example, if you're playing, brilliant, yes. But even if you're not playing, you're still working. So you're working, and so I think for cricket as a sport, I think it has been a game changer. Or while maybe खेलते time होता तो शायद बेहतर होता. But ठीक है, it's not a regret.
I Google a lot of random things. I Google for everything I have a doubt about. Like I could Google the calories in Karela, for example.
If I'm a regular flyer, like how you're claiming to be, at least 20 flights and all, I would take the time to Google and read up about the passenger rights that you have. And it's very easy. Just Google it. In the DGCA website, you have what rights each of the passengers have when it comes to delayed flights and it comes to cancellations. Familiarize yourself with that if you're a regular flyer, because structurally, I don't see anything changing in the immediate short term.
Well, Lipstick Under My Burqa has had a very, very big impact on me and in my career, because it is one of my first films, and the film basically shaped who I am. It gave me a name, it gave me a professional, it gave me my identity actually. And quite honestly, it made me realize the kind of cinema I really want to be a part of and the kind of stories I would like to be a part of.
First of all, thank you that my movie Yaryar, the directorial film that I directed, it released quite some time back, and till today you ask me questions for it and send me so much love for it and still sing to the song Aaj Blue Hai Pani Pani Pani. But I think my experience was wonderful. It was my first movie, and I was very, 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 very passionate and enthusiastic, although my passion and enthusiasm over the years is still the same in my work.
Well, it was lovely to shoot with Ajay sir and Maddie sir. Both are such supreme actors, and I really look up to them. And I think I have to say this, and I've said this before, that this film would not have been possible without their support. And the reason today people are loving the role of Aisha is because Ajay sir and Maddie sir gave me the space to shine.
First of all, I think Gambhir as a coach, you've got to separate into two halves. One is the red ball, the other is the white ball. I think white ball is done very, very well. I don't think that's up for discussion. I think you would accept that. With red ball cricket, I think we need to understand a couple of things. One is this team is through a transition. I hope you understand and agree with that. And when I say transition, the older generation or the previous generation, some of them retired, some of them, the selectors have moved on, and you've missed some big names here, right? So we're talking about Cheteshwar, we're talking about Ajinkya, obviously Virat, Rohit, Ashwin. So that is one thing we've got to be mindful of. Then the second thing that we need to understand is the first series. So he's lost 2 home series now out of the 3. New Zealand series was first part of the transition phase where the senior guys were leaving. Now the second part is what is happening right now, and that's where I think we can't just blame the coach for everything. Yes, he's the leader of the pack to a certain extent. He's he's one of the main guys, so he would have to take some responsibility. I think it has to be a concerted effort from the system itself.
So I basically got eliminated, and I started using Reddit because I just wanted to know what was happening in the show. I didn't have the time to watch the episodes, but I was so hooked to Reddit, and I absolutely love it. And no, I am not promoting the platform. I really genuinely love Reddit. It has so much gossip, it has so much intel, and it has so much info that I am fully addicted. Now I'm a Reddit addict.
Oh my god, unpopular opinion that'll make people fight. I don't think I would want people to fight, so I'm going to keep my unpopular opinion to myself.